Go Duker.
See me swallow it. There you go, there you go. No, you may swallow it.
Go Duker.
His face looks so fat and hot or something.
You get in his face?
Lala, he's hurting him. Help him.
Oh, Duker.
He looks like a Girl Scout too.
He does.
Would you like to buy some?
What's wrong, Duker?
Hey, get him out of there now.
What? Kung Fu.
Mike's on.
Kung Fu. You doing Kung Fu? Huh?
Do you remember the name? A beret.
A beret.
It took me so long. You haven't known detective? You know detective?
Well, he's fine, Hank.
No, what'd you type in?
He's fine.
Bear's hats.
I'm not doing that.
Dude.